Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 3 of Debo Knows for IST 402 at Penn State. Today, we'll be looking into another platform that is new to me, but is used by web developers and educators. This is Codepen.io, which is a platform that is used for web development, and today we'll be looking into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript web pages. So, for those of you who are unfamiliar with these three languages I just mentioned, let me put them into layman's terms. HTML is used for the infrastructure of the web page, CSS is used for the styling, and JavaScript is used for the user experience portion of the web page. The three languages work together to bring the web page to life. Next, we will look into the value of Codepen. Codepen is a great way for people who are not experts in coding to learn and use web development code as open source. For this week's lab, we had to create a web page based resume and change certain aspects of the page for customization. I changed the colors around the resume, the header, the footer, and both sides. So I could walk you through how to do that. For example, if we wanted to change green to red, we would just simply put in red, and then it changes to red. So for the HTML portion of the website, I also added in a GIF of Napoleon Dynamite next to the skills. I did that simply by putting in this GIF right here, put it next to the image, and put the source of the GIF. And I also was able to create a bullet point that links to my high school's webpage. So if you just come to here and open link in a new tab, it should just come straight up to my high school's webpage. Yeah, there it is. A lot of templates that are offered can be reverse engineered in Codepen. Reverse engineering can allow you to gain insight onto how to use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is an example of how to use Codepen. So when I went into this template, which is the modern gradient buttons, I would have had absolutely no clue how to create any of these buttons and to get them to do the things that they're doing. You see how it's moving on the screen, and this one has backgrounds that fill. So I can potentially use these buttons by just, copying and pasting the code into my own and have the buttons do whatever I want them to do, whether it be take them to a link or go somewhere else within my website. So this is awesome because the code is already written for my benefit. And for customization wise, I can just come here. I can change the degree, make it so there's nothing around the button, or make it so there's more color around the button, and do stuff like that. So if you are interested in learning more about Codepen, there are plenty of different tutorial websites that go through all the different functions that Codepen has to offer. This is an example of one of them on hongkite.com. So I'd like to thank you guys all for watching this week's video on Codepen. I hope to see you back with me, Debo Knows, next week for another video. Thanks for watching, guys.